Mastery practice question 7. After n years, the price of a car that was bought by Raju is this much. Determine the number of years for the price of car to be below 20,000 for the first time. Okay, so the price of the car must be below 20,000. So this is our equation. Now we need to find the number of years. So we need to find n. So let's bring 60,000 over here. 7 over 8 power n is lesser than 20,000 over 60,000. So we can cancel off all the zeros. So 7 over 8n less than 2 over 6, which reduces to 1 over 3. Okay, now to make n the subject, since we need to find n, we multiply both sides by log. So let's just times log 10. You can also multiply with ln, but it's the same thing. So this becomes log 7 over 8 power n less than log 1 over 3. So why we multiplied by log? So that the n we can bring forward. So n log 7 over 8 is less than log 1 over 3. Right. So let's try to make n the subject. We have to bring this over here. Okay, but one thing you have to make sure is, or you have to remember is, log, if you're doing log, anything lesser than 1. So 7 over 8 is less than 1. 1 over 3 is also less than 1. Okay, log, let's say 1 over 2. You see, you get a negative value. You can take anything lesser than 1. Log 1 over 8. Log 9 over 10. Okay, sorry. Log 9 over 10. Okay, as long as the fraction is lesser than 1, you're going to get a negative value. So when we bring this over here to become divide, since we are dividing by a negative number, the symbol will change. Okay, so working will look something like this. So n more than log 1 over 3 over log 7 over 8. Okay, so usually when you do any calculation, let's say x, let's say 3x or negative 3x is more than 5. So when you make x the subject, where you are dividing by negative 3, you must change the symbol. Whenever we divide by a negative value, the symbol has to flip. Okay. So here same thing, the symbol, don't forget to switch. Right. So log 1 over 3 divide by log 7 over 8, we get n is more than 8.23. So we can say n is 9 years, because number of years must be a whole number. So this is how we get 9 years. So after 9 years, the value of his car will be below 20,000. Done.